Hi guys, welcome back to Soul Foods channel. I know it's been a long time since you guys seen my face, so I thought I'd come in today and just say hi to you guys. Hope 2020 is going well with you, and if it's not, I pray that pretty soon all of what's going on internationally will be over and we'll all get back to the normal and live like we're supposed to. Anyway, this video today is long overdue. I was asked to make a couscous video. I know it has taken forever, but it's here now finally. All right, let's get to it. Start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any oil you have, and then heat that up to medium-high heat. Add 1/4 cup of diced carrots. You want to saute the carrots maybe 30 seconds before you add the rest of the ingredients. I added garlic cloves and onion together right there, and then celery. Saute everything together for about 3 minutes or till everything is succulent. Now add a pinch of black pepper. Of course, that is completely optional, and 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Once that's sauteed, you want to start your couscous. Once that's sauteed, you want to start your couscous. So that's 1.5 cups of water and then 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Bring the water to a boil and add 1 cup of semolina. Cook that on medium heat for about 5 minutes. This does not take long to cook at all. Reduce the heat to low and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes just so everything is dried up completely. You can use a fork or a spoon like I'm doing right there and stir it a little bit. Now add the semolina to the sauteed vegetables. I'm just trying to kind of break apart the lumps, and then add a little bit more olive oil, maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons, just to break up the semolina a little bit better. So this is how it ends up looking. I hope you try it. This is a very good option for those who eat rice. Is a lot lighter on the stomach. You can replace it with rice as well. It tastes almost like rice, just lighter. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of parsley over there just for garnish. You can have this with a side of chicken with a little bit of pepper sauce. I know my LIB people, you're gonna be adding some kind of sauce to it. And then I garnish it some more with some vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.